Hello everyone, my name is Aman and we are solving LeetCode problem, and today we are going to solve again one of the easiest problem of LeetCode, that is problem number 35, search insert position. What it does mean exactly? So we have to find where is the element exactly in the inserted array of elements. So let's read the problem first, then we will understand what does the problem exactly says. So given a stored array of distinct integer and target value, return the index if the target is found. If not found, return the index where it would be if we are inserted in the order. Okay, so what we getting from this point? We have an sorted array, means whatever the element are of array are there, they are in the sorted form, and we have to find the array of element, means the target element that is present in the given array or not. If it is present, we have to print their indexes. If not, we have to go to the returning the inserted element, like whatever the element are there, we have to print that exactly where it should be present, we have to found. Okay, so you must write the algorithm with big O of n and return in the runtime complexity. We have to return, we have to maintain the time complexity, that would be log n. Okay, so let's see one example here. What exactly says? So we have an input number 1356. These are the four elements, and the target element is 5. So here we have to find whether the 5 is present in the number or not. So simply we can see here the element 5 is present in the array of numbers. So simply we are going to return 2 as an output, means it is present at index number 2. So how we will solve this problem, and by what approaches we are doing or we are taking to solve this problem, that we can see by the binary search. I'm going to tell you with the binary search approach to solve this problem and get the efficient answer for this question. And here you can see the input for this example. Like here the array of numbers are 1, 3, 5 and 6, and the target element is 7. So here we are simply see 7 is not present. So we have to return where it should be inserted in the correct order. So if the 7 is where we have to place the 7, this after 1, no, 3, no, 4, 5, no, 6, no, it is greater than 6. So we are placing this 7 after 6 because we have a sorted array. So we have to insert the target element in the sorted order. That's why we are inserted the 7 array of element in the last. So what it should be the array, like 1, 2, sorry, 1, 3, 5, 6 at the end 7. So what is its indexes, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here you can see the 7 is present at 4th index. That's why we are returning as an output 4 to assign the 7 target to the correct place. Okay, so here we go to see the description I am maintaining for you. Let's see here how we can solve this problem. So since the array is in sorted order, we will use binary search to solve this problem in the best and efficient manner. So initially, we are how we will solve this is how we will do the process for solving the binary search. We are taking left, right, and mid. So left will be to the leftmost element, right should be in the rightmost element, and mid will be in the center. So how we will find that mid element? Basically, we are doing left plus right minus left by 2 to get the middle element. Okay. So initially we are how we will solve this? I am going to tell you the approach. So initially the left will be 0 and the right element will be number dot length, like whatever the length of the number, we are taking the length of the number minus 1, and while finding the whether the element is present in the leftmost element or to the rightmost element, we are checking while taking the condition whether the left is less than equals to right or not. Okay. And for finding the middle element, we are doing this formula, using this formula going to use. So left plus right minus left divided by 2 to get the middle element. And suppose if the number of if the mid element is equals to target, then we are going to return simply the mid element. So the element is present in the middle. If the number dot mid num of mid means the middle element is less than target, we are going to search to the right part of the uh, uh, means array of elements, or we are searching in the right half. Simply, if it is less than or greater than, we are going to search whether it is present in left hand or right hand. So if the array of element is present in right hand side, we are going to find like means reinitializing the left element and right element with this, like left equals to mid plus 1 till search in the left hand side to left hand equals to mid minus 1. If we don't find the target, we are going to assign the left will be the int at the insertion of index, where time complexity will be g log n as per the question, and space complexity will be 1. So here we are, I'm already telling you the example. So I'm going to drag and drop here how we will do this problem in the best way. I think it is visible to you. So the array of elements are 1, 3, 5 and 6, and here we have target as 5. So 5 where it is at index 2. So how we will get that? Initially we are taking left equals to 0 and right equals to the 3. 3 is the rightmost element here. After that, finding the taking first step, like finding the middle element, left plus right minus 1, right minus left by 2. Okay, to get the middle element. So leftmost element is 0 at index 0, and the right element is 3. Again minus left means 0 divided by 2 means 3 divided by 2 is equals to 1, like 1 point something. So in the integer we are getting 1. So the middle element we are getting 1. So finding whether the middle element is equals to the target or not. So the numbers of mid equals to number of 1 means at 1 we are having element 3. So checking whether the middle element is equals to target or not. If not, we are taking to the next step, like doing the same process again. Check if mid equals to target, like 3 is equals to 5. 5 here not, target element is 5, 3 is not equals to 5, then they are saying no. We are checking again. The middle element is less than target. Yes, we are going to do left equals to mid plus 1, like updating the left element by adding mid plus 1. Left equals to mid plus 1, that is 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Now the left is equals to 2 and right equals to 3. Again we are going to find the middle for the further searching where to get the target element. So 2 plus 3 minus 2 What exactly 2? 2 is here the leftmost element, and 3 minus 2. 3 is the rightmost and 2 is the left, divided by 2. That is 2 plus 1, that is 3. 3 divided by 2, it is approx 2.5 something. Yeah. So equals to 2. Okay. So now the middle element equals to the number at 2, that is 5. Checking whether the middle element is equals to target or not. So mid equals to target, that is 5 equals to 5. We have got the targeted element. So we are returning that mid index, that is 2. Let's see here example for the example of third. For the third situation, like if the target element is not present in the array of elements, sorry, then what we will do, simply we are going to do the same process, finding the middle element first. If not found, we are doing the leftmost element to the assigning the targeted value. Okay. So left equals to 0, right equals to 3, and mid equals to 1. Here we are already find. So 3 is less than 7. So again we are finding the mid, means assigning the left element as 2, mid element as 2. Sorry. Then again we are going to check here what we will get here. Like in the next step, left element is equals to 2 and right equals to 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So the right element is 3. Again we are going to find the mid. If mid equals to less than mid equals to 2 now, then 5. The second array of element is 5. 5 is less than 7. Then again we are moving to the next. Now updating our left element. So 3. Now the again left element is 3 and mid equals to 3, and that is 6. 6 is also less than 7. So by the ending of the loop, we are uh, place the targeted element 7. So that targeted element index is 4. How we will do this problem? Or write the code for this. Like firstly, we are assigning the left element, right element. Okay. While checking the condition whether the left is less than equals to right, then we will finding the mid equals to left plus right minus 1 divided by 2, checking the condition whether the mid element equals to target or not. If it is equals to target, we are simply return the mid. Till we are doing some checking some condition whether it is present in the right half or left half. Okay. So for that we have condition number of mid is less than equals to target, left equals to mid plus 1 to go the right side of the array. Okay. So yeah, we are checking whether the array of elements present in the leftmost or the rightmost. By checking this condition whether the mid element is less than equals to target, we are simply move the left element by the mid plus 1, and whether the element is the leftmost side, we are doing right equals to mid minus 1. Okay. And simply we are going to return the left. Okay, based on their condition. So here we go, write the code for this, like removing this thing. Remove this thing and how we will do this? Like simply we are initializing int left equals to 0, comma right equals to. So here I skipped the means typing part of writing the code. It will take some time and it should the video will be long. So simply I'm going to tell you how we will do this. Okay. So here we are firstly initializing left and right element. side, right, okay, checking whether checking the left is less than equals to right or not, so you can simply see. Now finding the mid element by this, by finding the mid element, okay, the target is equals equal to the mid, then return mid, okay, mid element, okay. Again we are checking if that mid element is not equals to target, then we are doing checking whether it is in the right host, okay. So we are simply do for to go to the to go to right side, okay. So we search the element, okay. If it is not present in the right hand side, we are going to check in the left side. For that we are doing this right equals to mid minus 1 to check whether the element is in the leftmost side or not, okay. And simply we are returning left, returning leftmost or the rightmost, whatever you want to do you can do here. Now check the code whether it is working fine or not, okay. So here we can see it passes the all the test cases like test case 1 and test case 2, and for the test case 3 call, okay. It is submitted, yeah, with the 100% accuracy we are did this. So thank you for watching this video. I tell you the best approach for solving this problem that will help you to understand how we can go basically to solve the LeetCode problem from basic to advanced, or basic to hard, or easy to hard, anything you can say. So thank you for watching this video. If you are not understand anything or you are not getting any point, you can just comment down, and I'll, if possible, I will tell you how you can do this and what it is exactly. I think so it is very easy question, so you all of them can understand very easily whatever I am telling to you. So thank you everyone once again. We will see in the next video with the next problem.